Fool's Gold. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to earn 3 points. The goal of each round is to earn a point by being the first to grab a gold nugget, either after completing a matching set of cards or by bluffing that you did. A set is 3 matching animal cards or 5 matching prospector cards. The names of the cards will match, while their images will be slightly different. To set up each round, place 1 fewer gold nuggets than the number of players in the center of the table, within easy reach. Shuffle the deck and deal 5 cards face down to each player. Players look at their own cards. The player who looks most like a gold prospector is the start player, and the remaining deck, now called the draw pile, is placed face down on their right. The start player begins the round by drawing the top card from the draw pile and discarding a card of their choosing face down to their left. There are no turns, so as soon as they discard a card, they may draw another card from the draw pile, continuously repeating the draw and discard process, trying to quickly complete a set. The other players join in as soon as the cards are discarded to them, repeatedly drawing from the cards passed to their right and passing cards face down to their left, trying to also quickly complete a set. You may only draw 1 card at a time, and you may not hold more than 6 cards at a time. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously as players frantically pass cards clockwise around the table, trying to complete a matching set of cards. The cards will reach the start player again, forming the trash pile. The start player may draw from the trash pile once their draw pile is empty. As soon as any player completes a set or decides to bluff, they grab 1 of the gold nuggets from the center of the table. As soon as the other players notice, they race to grab a gold nugget of their own, leaving the last player empty-handed. Whoever grabbed the first gold nugget scores 1 point. Whoever is left without a nugget loses 1 point. However, if you think the first nugget grabber has bluffed and does not actually have a matching set, then hit the table and yell "Fool's Gold." Now, that player must reveal their hand. If they did indeed have a complete set, then they still earn their point, and you now lose 1 point for falsely accusing. But if they were bluffing, then you now earn 1 point, and they now lose 1 point for the round instead. In either case, the player who did not grab a nugget still loses 1 point. You are allowed to have negative points. After each round, gather up the cards, reset the nuggets, and play another round with the player who scored the previous round's point being the start player for the next round. The first player to score 3 points is the winner.